Hello! In this video, I would like to share with you how to draw a portrait of Marilyn Monroe. The first thing I do, I draw with a pencil the outlines of the face of Marilyn. I don't make very bright lines, because many lines I will have to erase. Making an initial sketch, I make a lot of refinements. At this stage, our task is to identify the main shadows and highlights in this picture, and also understand the correct location of Marilyn's facial features. As you can see, I'm making a lot of corrections. It is normal. Anyway, I got the initial sketch of Marilyn's face on my paper. Next, I will draw the details of the face more clearly. I'm using a piece of paper to avoid staining the rest of the picture. At this stage, our task is to strengthen the shadows and highlights, and also start drawing clear details of the face. Eyelashes, details in the pupils of the eyes, details on the lips, hair details, and so on. Be careful, don't lose glare in the eyes and lips. Keep it white from the start of drawing. I see you are still here and continue to watch my video, so I hope you enjoy it. I will be glad if you press the like button under my video. Thank you, and we are moving on. At the last stage, I'm taking the softest pencil to draw the darkest areas and enhance the contrasts. This is a very pleasant stage. The eyes come to life and Marilyn begins to look at us from the portrait. Meanwhile, our portrait is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be glad to see you in my Instagram account. You can see it now on the screen. You can share with me your works and results there. And I also invite you to follow up my channel and watch the other videos from my page. Thank you for your time and good luck with your drawings. Bye.